Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Make me ask you something. After Jesus did done tell him follower them how much times him a go come back alive after him dead, you think say any of them did ever believe him? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, if you make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 24 from verse 1 to verse 12. Early Sunday morning, the woman them got the tomb with the spice where them did look about. Them find the stone roll away from front of the tomb. Them go in there, but they not find Jesus' body. Same time when them a wonder what, two man in a clothes were bright like light come turn up side of them. The woman them heart reach at them mouth and them hang down their head cause them did so frightened. But the man them said to them say, what make uno look for the one where live amongst the one them we dead? Him not there, him come back alive. Remember when him tell you when him did monks in a Galilee? Them a go take the man where God pick, give wicked people where go kill him upon the cross. But him a go come back alive 3 days later. Then they remember where Jesus did tell them. After them come back from the tomb, the woman them tell Jesus 11 apostles them and all the rest of follower them. Where did it happen? Now I did Mary Magdalene, Joanna, Mary, where James' mother, and the other woman them who did tell the apostle them where them see. But the apostle them never believed the woman them. Cause where them did I say? Sound like foolish. Peter get up and run go the tomb in bend down. But the only thing he see are the piece of linen cloth one. So him going. I wonder. Wow. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.